don't get enough of seeing me look crazy. It's okay because I'm getting my hair done very soon. Even though I got this wig in the bag, and if I didn't, I'm gonna upload a video of me doing this wig, hopefully, because I don't know if I really like the video, but we gonna see. Okay, so anyway, I'm here today because I wanted to show y'all me going to IKEA to get some like stuff, some little stuff for my crib. You know, gotta take y'all on the journey of this crib. That was so corny. Anyhow, so yeah, I got a lot going on. Oh my God, I just look so ugly. I'm so tired of looking ugly, y'all. I'm so tired of it. But like I said, it's okay because I'm getting my hair done. So it's okay. But the sunlight hit it though. Get that. Anywho, so yeah, I'm gonna take y'all on this journey with me. Make sure y'all like, subscribe this video, and if y'all want to see more, you know, keep watching. I always watch a girl, Nani. I need to figure out, first and foremost, I need to figure out a name for us because now we are family, now we're collective, now we're here. Okay, we're here. On the road to 100 subscribers. I can't wait till I look back at this later in life and be like, damn, I was only having 100 subscribers and now I'm with this much subscribers, like 100K subscribers, because I'm going to manifest that. I am going to manifest it, and we're going to reach my goals, and y'all going to help me. And y'all going to, like, you know, tell other people to watch me because, you know, I'm a little funny. I had this idea for my channel. So, boom. For my channel, I wanted to do something new every month. So, like, each month is going to be something new on my channel. So, say, for instance, January comes, and I try something new that I have never done before for a month, okay? So, if you know me personally, y'all know your girl can't dance, okay? I can't dance. I can't bust a move for nothing, okay? Like, I maybe, you know, do one of these. But that's about it. Yeah. Like, so say for instance, January, like I said, the whole month of January, I try to take up some dance classes maybe. I have a lot of beautiful working athleticism dancers on my page, on Instagram, TikTok, all of that. And I know some of them personally, you feel me? And I would love to, like, you know, promote them or like help them teach people who don't know how to dance, you feel me? Like, show me the rhythm, show me the move, show me the smooth, you feel me? The groove and the move and the ooh. Cause I need to learn, cause like your girl is black, I'm chocolate. Well, I don't know how to dance. So yeah, I want to, you know, basically help them help me help them. Okay? And they could, like, they got their YouTubes going. They could add it to their page. We can work together, you know? Let's work. Okay? Let's work. Yeah, like, stuff like that. Like, then the February, I can show y'all my journey of, like, cooking. I cooked before, but I don't cook. Like, I'm not a cooking mama. Like, I'm not a itchy mama. You feel me? I don't cook all the time, but I know a little something because my family, they be throwing down, okay? So, yeah, I wanted to, like, do something different. Let me know if y'all like that idea because I feel like it's something different from every other YouTuber. Like, I don't know if a lot of people be doing stuff like that, but I'm going to start doing stuff like that. Hopefully nobody steals my ideas and go from there. But if y'all like that idea, comment down below, let me know. And give me some suggestions on what else I should try because, like, I haven't tried a lot of stuff. You feel me? Like, tell me, put me in the gym, something like that. I don't know. Anyway, yeah. Me and my mama going to IKEA. Gonna look around. I'm gonna record a little bit for y'all. And yeah. I'm too sexy for this. Ride dick so hard, have babies. Y'all bitches so good. Stop it. We're at IKEA. And look, this is so irritating. 11, guys, make a wish. Make a wish, mommy. This is so cute. I love IKEA. I should have just lived here. I should have moved in here. This is super dope. I like IKEA because it makes it look so cozy. Look at this rug. This is so cool. I like how they have like the different names and stuff, like workspace, home organization, and all that good stuff. Right, left. We found the shopping carts. We've been looking for shopping carts this whole time we've been here. Hey, John. Yeah. I'm back and I found some floatable shelves that's pink because my vanity room gonna be pink. It's gonna be hot pink and it's light pink, but I think I want to like spray paint it a darker pink. And then I found a shoe shelf and I think it's 16 spaces in there. Oh, my nail look dirty. Anywho, how I found a shoe shelf that was like with 16 spaces at IKEA, and it's $119. And yeah, so far so good. I probably spent about like $2 something in here because that's all I got anyway. But I had to eat something. I got me some cake and some chicken tenders and some fries. But yeah. 139. That's decent. So pretty. I need it. Oh my god, not the price though. For your bedroom? Yes, this will be for my bedroom. Because my bedroom gonna be hunter green. That is so pretty. It's so rich and fulfilling, like I don't know. Then they got another one for $279. I had ordered my bed already. I had ordered it last night. I was up till 3 in the morning ordering my stuff. It's like a huge maze. Like
start with the H.
It start with an H?
Yeah, the
Hijah?
Yeah, Hijah. You see it over there?
Yeah, right there.
Oh.
Yes, this store is like a huge maze. I done got lost in here about 5 times. I'm trying to keep y'all updated as much as possible. But I love smelly candles. They're my favorite. We got all these candles here. Smells like apples. I want a green candle because my room is green. But I don't think I like that smell. I think this is the one I have in my cart already. I like that smell. I hate pumpkin spice, but I'm still smell it. I don't know if I like that smell. It's okay, but give me more oomph. Put a little oomph in it. No. Hell no. I like this one. This is real soft. I'm right here. Sniffing candles. I like that one. Yeah.
You getting high over here? You ain't like that. I've been saying you didn't get those pink ones.
I didn't know if I liked that smell for real. Smell it.
You like that?
Ooh, that's so pretty.
Yeah, I'm gonna put that right next to my. I mean, really.
Just because I like to light candles sometimes. It's like, I don't know if I like it. It's okay, but it's like, I need something else with it. I think I like this one.
But where you putting this at?
I just want to light it.
Right.
I got this peach smell. You like it? Now you're making me not like it. But now I don't want my house to smell weird. You'd be like,
They had a pink glass thing, girl. Look at this, it's cute.
Yeah, that is cute.
I want you to have one of these, like if it was gold. What you call that? It looks cool.
Oh, the one that you was trying to get me. I can't even freaking push this cart. She's talking about these. I was hoping that they had more candles.
Right. Bad, right?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna go look at some fake plants because I didn't get the chance to look over there yet. I don't think they're long enough. Yeah.
Please join us in the lobby.
Oh, that's why that guy had that sweater. And I was looking like he doing too much, and that's so ugly.
You should went down there with your, the way you be dressing.
Goodbye.
Now you realize, oh wait, now we're talking, Mom.
Now I understand. Oh, those are so nice.
Go right by your window.
That one. I don't know. You say, huh? Oh. These are $69. I would love this in my apartment. In my living room, by my window, even though it's fake, but we're gonna pretend like it's getting some natural sunlight. You feel me? Oh yeah, that's nice too. That's for like candles.
Yeah, wherever you want.
downstairs where we gotta go to get all our packages. Like it's Amazon. Downstairs. And I got this thing with me to grab my shelf. And it's 2 parts to it. So I'm over here struggling by myself. I don't like when my mama help me because like I be feeling bad. So I be trying to be the fake man of the house and I'm not even a man. But you know what? It's okay because I'm a tough girl. And I got this. Shit. I told y'all I got it. This gonna be my shelf. This gonna be my shelf. Okay, so IKEA tried to play me, right? Cause I tried to freaking get this little set from my bathroom, and it said it was basically $10. The whole time, the bins was $10. Not even the freaking whole thing. It was only one part of it was $10. And then it was separate pieces for the legs. I'm looking like, what? I put that shit back so fucking fast. I can't bear it. I hate liars. At the last stop of the day. I see. So we went to Marshall's and Home Good, and I didn't get to record, but I did get some stuff, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got. We didn't go to TJ Maxx. We went to Home Goods and Marshall's. TJ Maxx was like 10 minutes away. Everything else was closer. But now we at Macy's. Gonna get a little Dirk Neck, some cologne for his birthday, and go from there to the salon. Show y'all Cheesecake Factory and Woodline Mall. Say peace. Ma, say peace. Peace. End my video off the right way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and hit that ding button. You already know. Happy birthday, ugly. Anyway, yeah.
Thank you, sexy.
We in there. Road to 100. Let's get it.